No credit, no daily limit. Here is how to generate unlimited AI images for free. There is a completely free way to generate as many images as you want. AI image generator allows you to create art, thumbnail, social media post and more with simple text prompt. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
First of all, visit this website. Here you can see the website URL and I will give this URL in this video description and in a first comment box also. So just visit the website and click on this login. You can also continue with Google or you can use Temple. Then click on this continue with email. Type here your name. Then click on this create account. Now go to your email. By this way you can get access of Gemini, Cloud, Sedans, killing all the AI model. So please watch full video. Now we need to verify our email address. Set a strong password. Now again type your strong password. Then click on this finish button. We had successfully logged in our account. Then click on this toggle and start new chat. Click on this battle mode and click on select this direct. Now here you can see all the model for text. Here you can see Gemini, GPT 5.2, 5.1, Grok, Queen, Cloud, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok, GPT. Here you can see a lot of model are available in one place. Mercury, Olama, Gamma. So you can also use for the code. These are the model for code. Here you can see Cloud, Sonnet 4.6. And for image generation you can enjoy Gemini 3.1, Flash or GPT. So let's choose Gemini and we will create one image. Just paste here your image generation prompt and click on this send button. In a first time you need to agree the TNC. Now wait for few seconds. Here you can see our image is generated by Gemini 3 Pro and here you can see the detailed and sharpness of image. You can simply download it by right click or you can also download from here or choose the edit option. Then what do you want to change in this image, then again click on send button. For the other things you can also use for code in a new chat. For code you can use these are the model and for Google search you can enjoy these are the few model and for text almost 50 plus AI models are available. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.